Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to import aerial maps in Agri Assistant app of version 8.0. Tools. Mapping drone. It is recommended to use the mapping drone with RTK to collect picture data because there may be a large error in the position information of GPS mapping drone. Image processing software, PIX forward fields is recommended. If you use other image processing softwares and exist compatibility problems, please contact the after sales. A large capacity FAT32 USB flash drive. Note: back up the internal files of the USB flash drive before operation to prevent loss. Steps: connect the USB flash drive to the remote controller USB connection port. See whether the USB flash drive is connected normally. If the flash drive is damaged, format the flash drive on the remote controller. After connecting the USB flash drive to the remote controller successfully, remove the USB flash drive from the remote controller, then connect it to the computer. Import the TIFF pictures into the USB flash drive, and then connect it to the remote controller. Start the Agri Assistant app, tap USB flash drive in the main interface, then tap the upper right extension bar, choose Aerial Survey Results. Choose the files with TIFF endings that have been generated by the software, then tap Confirm. Wait until it finishes. Select Routes in the right extension. Select Aerial Survey Results. Tap the imported plot. You can quickly find the plot of Aerial Survey. Then change the upper right corner Aerial Survey to Routes mode. Then we can carry out mapping on the map plot. Tap Mapping. Select Mark Type as Map to carry out the dot operation of boundary points, obstacle points, etc. Above is today's lesson. Follow the Topxgun channel for more plant protection skills.